Hello, this will be the implementation or the illustration of the linear search algorithm of how does it work in a step-by-step manner. So suppose that we do have a 6 elements in our example. We have here in a given array that 40, 70, 90, 100, 130, and 160. So we will be going to search that 100 based on the step-by-step manner as we have stated. So in a linear search, it must be a step-by-step process. So in this case here, in your step one, you will be going to basically do this. So for T, you're able to put that as a like identification that you are searching that. You are checking, accessing that element. So by checking that is 40, is it equals to 100? No, you just have to put no and then proceed to the next level. Then for the second one, you will have to search 70 here. For the 70, that is the same thing since you were able to increment that into just one. Afterwards, you have to compare here is 70, is it equals to 100? That is still no. You have to put that there basically. Next, you have to proceed with the step three. With the step three, the same implementation that you have to do. Proceed with the next step or next element in your array, which will be this 90. So 90 is it equals to 100? No, that is not. So since that's not, you have to proceed to the next step or the next element in your array. So that will be in that step four. Now 100, is it equals to the 100 as well? So that is basically yes. So since you were able to find that element already in your array, so you just have to put here as well a specific identification that you were able to have or search that specific number. 100 is found at in index 3. So you have to return the specific index of that element or the target that you were able to search already. So another example here then, suppose that we are searching 190. So given with the same implementation or given with the same array, so let's try to check what will happen. Now, here then, the same first step that will be checking the 40. So does a 40, is it equals to 190? Since that is no, so you just have to proceed to the next item or element. Next will be the 70. Is 70, is it equals to 190? So that is still no. So basically increment that again. So you will proceed to 90 right now. So does a 90, is it equals to 190? No, again. So you have to put that right there and increment into one, and you're in step four. Does 100, since 100 right now, is it equals to the 190? That is basically no again. Now for the step five, you just have to proceed with the next element. So that is 130. So does 130, is it equals to 190? And yes, that is not, no. What I mean, that is a no. No, that is not equals to the 190. So basically, you have to proceed with the next item. So the next item for the six will be 160. So does 160, is it equals to 190? That is a still no. Since we are done, we were able to finish already searching the whole array. So what will happen? You just have to put right there, here. So is equals to 90. 190 is not found in your array. So you just have to put return -1, and that signifies that specific element is not in your array. That is not, or we were not able to found that or find that element rather. So thank you so much. That is how you will basically identify or do this linear searching. So make sure that you could somewhat answer as the same with this implementation. Thank you so much.